Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on employing ensemble methods with scikit-learn. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Even as the number of machine learning frameworks and libraries increases on a daily basis, scikit-learn is retaining its popularity with ease. In particular, scikit-learn features extremely comprehensive support for ensemble learning, an important technique to mitigate overfitting. In this course, you will gain the ability to construct several important types of ensemble learning models. First, you will learn decision trees and random forests are ideal building blocks for ensemble learning, and how hard voting and soft voting can be used in an ensemble model. You will understand the differences between averaging techniques and boosting techniques to build an ensemble. Next, you will discover how bagging and pasting can be used to control the manner in which individual learners in the ensemble are trained. You will also construct boosting models using both adaptive boosting as well as gradient boosting techniques. Finally, you will round out your knowledge by utilizing model stacking to combine the output of individual learners. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to design and implement sophisticated ensemble learning techniques using the support provided by the scikit-learn framework.